Friday, July 2nd, 2021. Let's get started. Welcome back, folks. Just returned from the store. I already had the paintbrush, but I needed this 3-inch roller cover. I already had the 9-inch. As you can see, it's working. Well, the 3-inch anyway. The 9 could have worked here, but I'd rather the 3-inch. And this area is going to look a whole lot different, a whole lot better with that second coat. Guarantee it. Oh yeah. It looks a lot brighter, lighter. That's what you want to see. And then what I'll do eventually is rip off the tape and do the touch-ups. It's going to look great. Starting to take shape. Look at that second coat. Wonderful. Oh yeah. Near perfect. Let's compare it to the other side, which I haven't done, you see? See what one coat looks like versus two? Just wanted you to see the importance of the 3-inch roller cover. Brush doesn't have the same effect. Keep that in mind. Almost there. Trim won't be added to the wall, but as you can see, the paint transformed this space. I love this light. Wow. Well, let's finish up. Time for the touch-ups. And this is me just finishing up. Small paintbrush, you see that spot there? So that's what it's about. Put your all into it, give it your best. And you don't have to pay anybody to do something you can do yourself. There's still a chance I missed a spot or two, but in due time, I'll take care of it. Really like how this looks though. So now it's time to mount the TV and the fireplace. First time doing it myself. Although the wall is slanted, I still figured out where the mount would be. I measured 93 inches and some change. Figured out the halfway point as far as width, and did the same with the length too. Get a stud finder. I got this one from Home Depot. Good price. When you find the studs, that's where the screws should go. Okay? Do yourself a favor. If you're going to do something, do it right. Use a level. Got this from Home Depot too. I put the TV on the mount. Then I got on the ladder to center it a little better. I'll put the hole over here to hide the cord. Almost time to mount the fireplace. Trying to figure something out. I know to go here, but should I put a hole there? Because I know one's going here. Okay, one there, one here to let that out. But that's going to be it, no more than that. I got a feeling this molding is going to give me some trouble. As you can see, it was so tight I scraped up the wall trying to put the fireplace in the mount. I'll have to come down some. All right, got it in, success. It was tight, but it worked. Scrape this up too, but I'll get my chip paintbrush and fill that stuff in. TV looks great here. Oh yeah. Now I'll put the hole there with my hole saw bit. Then I'll put a hole somewhere down here. All right. Took the TV back off. X marks the spot. Let's drill a hole. Start it up. There we go. Wait a minute. Little trouble here, guys. What is the problem? I think I know what it is. It has to be something real minor. It wasn't so much the stud. I put the phone down, then I started it up again and went through it like a knife going through butter. So when you're doing this stuff, use both hands. All right. This looks good. Don't worry about the hole. When I'm finished, I'll just add an outlet cover. Got it from Home Depot. Next, I'll make a second hole, But this is going to be for the TV, so the cord can come out of this area, and I'll make the hole close to the outlet. I'm having trouble. What in the world is going on? And I've used both hands off camera. Well, finally figured it out. Look at this, another stud. Jesus Christ. I'm so embarrassed. I thought I cleared the stud. I actually eyed it. I realized I needed to be a few inches to the right. Now the new hole is further away. What am I going to do? For future reference, use a stud finder to make sure you clear the studs. Had I used this, I would have avoided this issue. When it rains, it pours. Yes, it does. So now the cord to the TV can't reach the outlet. Look at this. I can't believe I did this. Unbelievable. With my luck, I better use some electrical tape before I put these cords in the wall. You know what I'm thinking? Why even put this in the wall? I can just simply tape it to the side of the TV. It's not like anyone's really going to see it, right? Everything that could go wrong did, but I took care of it. Don't worry. I'll make this look a whole lot better. And the reason I have to do it like this is because the fireplace would have made it impossible to plug up the cords. So I want the stuff in the middle. Problem is the outlet is pretty much the middle. But other than that, no cords. So everything turned out okay. Almost finished. It was definitely a process, but I learned something. Guess I'll go over these chips again. Take care of it. Let's take a look at the final results. It's amazing what a little patience, dedication, and hard work can do for you. I know it's simply paint, but you don't want to just slap it on the wall, so to speak. Do it the right way. Nice. Very nice. Looks like a real lounge area now. Oh yeah. The furniture, not my thing. But I'm pleased either way. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.